Gates open, they're up and racing. Tigerific draws for your lead. Moving up in between runners, Hepburn running by the rail. Diamond are forever. Then followed over on the outside by Queen. Then comes Dugo's Favorite. Moving up now to take second is Forever Young. As they race towards the last 900, Tigerific in command. Forever Young moving up on the outside is the Favorite. Dugo's Favorite catching the second spot. Queen racing in third. Then dropping back in fourth. Forever Young. Diamond are Forever. Blue Chic also closing in, rounding at the last 600. Tigerific is still leading the field. Dugo's Favorite, the Favorite remains in second. Queen is running on the outside and moving up now to take for his Blue Chic as they turn for home. Tigerific still leading the field. Dugo's Favorite, the Favorite now throwing a challenge on the outside. And down the stretch they come. Tigerific, Dugo's Favorite, the Favorite now moving up on the outside. Tigerific, Dugo's Favorite, Blue Chic moving up. And finally, the Favorite, Dugo's Favorite. Then comes Blue Chic, Forever Young, Queen, Tigerific for your Pentafecta.
Okay, 8, 10, 4, 10, 9.